On Pandora, every tree, every gust of wind seems alive with memory and meaning. The land is more than just a backdrop. It's a living map of emotion, where joy, loss, and hope are etched into the roots and rivers. Jake's journey through these forests isn't just a walk across terrain, it's a passage through his own tangled feelings. The ground pulses with reminders of past conflict, while the sky's endless blue offers a fragile promise of healing. Here, nature doesn't just reflect emotion, it magnifies it, making every step both a discovery and a reckoning.